What's up, everybody? So today we're gonna do a front bumper upgrade on this BMW 340. A lot nicer. Let's get to work. So what you're gonna need to remove the bumper is pretty much a 8mm socket, a T30 Torx, a T25 Torx, and a couple of extensions. Wouldn't hurt either. I'm going to start off by turning the wheel and removing the screws hidden behind here over there. I don't know if you can see them. Yep. There's usually three of them per side, and then there's going to be several on the bottom. It's going to be 3 for the liner and then 2 inside holding to the fender. It's going to be back there. When you pull the liner back, you're going to see them. And then you're going to have a bunch of Torx bolts on top. One is a screw, which is the T25 that's right here. Screws to the headlight. Gonna remove this gasket or seal, not gasket. Can't see. Then you pull the liner back, and you're gonna be 2 screws back here. You actually see one right there. And then behind the liner is gonna be another one. Right back there. Then on the bottom, screws. So yeah, you have to remove those 2. And then all of these screws here, 8mm screws up front holding the shield, and same thing on the other side. Same thing on this side. 1, 2, 3. One here, and one behind the liner. And 8 screws on the bottom. You have to remove the seal to reveal the screws. These T30 screw bolts. T25, T30. And then you want to disconnect the wire harness for the camera. Right here. Pull this wire out from there and then plug it from the fog light, which is right there, that plug. To unplug the camera, you have to push on this tab right here, that little square. It'll be kind of snug, so push down and pull. Same goes for the opposite side. This tab and also this wire harness tab. That's attached. Also on the passenger side is the plug for the parking sensors, which is located directly under the fog light, right down here. You want to unplug that one as well. So on the passenger side, you're gonna have the camera light, the camera plug, then the fog light, and then this one for the parking sensors, which is a pain in the butt. You might have to use the pick, but don't break the tabs because it's sitting pretty tight. And then on the driver's side, there's only two. One for the camera, one for the fog light. So the new bumper came with the parking sensor brackets detached. So we're going to attach them to the bumper by gluing them in, making sure they are pointing the correct direction with the sensors. We're gonna have to make some holes for the cameras here too, and attach the brackets there as well. You also have to transfer the camera brackets because the kit didn't come with it. Glue I'm using is from a company called Medallion. We get our shop supplies from them. This is a glue and an activator. Good stuff. Now for the outside sensors, I had to heat up the bracket with a heat gun a little bit so it takes shape of the curvature of the bumper. That way it sits nice and flush. Just like now that I've got all the sensors and brackets in position, glued down, I'm gonna start putting the wires and everything else, fog lights, all that going in. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stay 'cause the flames will burn us up. You were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the day was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. And she's done and looking nice. Shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near, in hopes you chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so. And now I'm chasing nightmares. Peace out, everybody.